Hi guys, this is the antiderivative of sin³ of x with the little dx. First stage is rewrite this. So how should you rewrite this? You want to rewrite so shows a sin² x multiplying a sin x with a dx. This way, because then this can be replaced with a trig identity. This red part, that's why. Let's actually do that now. So I will say the following. Sin² x from the basic Pythagorean identity is 1 minus cos² x. So now actually make that replacement of the red part. So it's going to be here within parentheses very carefully. Now 1 minus cos² x dx. We'll get to that in a second. Sin x dx like that. Now take a look. Now we're going to make a substitution. So what is it? First of all, set u equal to cosine x. And then that's going to tell you that du is equal to negative sine dx. And then divide through by -1. That's going to give you negative du equals sine x dx. Now let's put all of this as antiderivative of 1 minus u², because u, remember, is cosine x. Sine x dx is negative du. Very carefully there. Pull the negative out, so you have negative antiderivative of 1 minus u² du. Now use the power rule and antidifferentiate. So when you do that, you get negative, and then within parentheses, u minus u³ over 3. Attach the constant c. Lastly, do recall that u equals cosine x. So you got to replace. It's going to give you negative and then cosine x minus cosine³ x over 3 plus the c. We don't like this negative floating out here, so distribute it and then transpose the term. So the positive comes first. So it will become cosine. One more time, cosine³ x over 3. Notice this is the positive one now because I've distributed negative. And then minus cosine x, because if it's here positive, or in this location, you distribute the negative from the outside, becomes negative cosine x as the second term. And then you attach the c, and that's the answer. Leave a like if it's helpful.